Friday afternoon here at City Hall, and I'm going to give you our weekly update on things here in Bardstown. On the COVID side of things, we are now at 335 cases. Through Thursday, we had 30 cases reported this week, which is down significantly from last week. We had 40 cases reported at this time over the 4 days of the week. We don't have Friday's numbers yet, but that's good to hear that our cases have declined this week. You know, it could change next week, because last week we had a significant increase in the number of cases. So it's not going away, so we still need to take our precautions and wear our mask. I mentioned Fire Station 1, which is our new fire station out on 245 last week. They actually started utilizing the station primarily on our first 2 shifts of each day. They are waiting on some furniture still to get completely moved in, so they can't spend the evenings there, but they're working out of that station up until 9 p.m. each night right now, and we hope by next week the balance of the furnishings will get there and they'll be in that new facility full time, and we look forward to letting the public see this new station. Again, it's going to be a great addition from a standpoint of response time and being able to provide support and emergency services from 2 locations rather than 1, and it should be a great improvement for our community. We got our financial statements for the first month of this fiscal year for July. It's good to report that we forecast significant declines in revenue and also utility sales. The declines in the first month are not as significant as we forecast, so we budgeted. At this point, our budgeting looks like we're going in the right direction there. Today, there's going to be a soft opening for a facility called Harbor House, which is located on Kennett Avenue in the Maple Hill area. It's a project of Bethany Haven, and we're happy that this facility is going to get a chance to get opened, serving our male population here in Nelson County. And there'll be a further announcement on that in the coming weeks with a formal opening, but a soft opening today. You'll see it if you're up by the post office. You can see this wonderful renovation project on the corner there near the courthouse. Lastly, I'd like to say that even though there's only been a 1-year budget passed by our legislature this past session due to COVID and the financial crunch of COVID that has hit the state, both because of the increased number of jobless claims and also the reduction in the road fund because of less people driving, less miles being driven, and also less gasoline being purchased, less vehicles being sold. All that impacts the road fund, but many other parts of the state revenue has been impacted. But the judge and I have been involved, along with our engineering staffs, with the state, reviewing a lot of the road projects for Bardstown and Nelson County, and I can at least say that they are still moving forward. They've not taken them off the map, so to speak, but some of them, again, because of financial issues with the state budget shortfalls, it's probably going to push them back somewhat. Some of these may not get moving as fast as we'd like, but the good news is we are still having conversations with the State Transportation Department, our state legislators, and the governor's office to make sure we get our share of the funding for those projects. So that's my report today. Be careful this weekend. I think we're expecting a lot of rain coming in off the remnants of Hurricane Laura, so just be careful and be safe. Have a good weekend.